Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make date biscuit rolls, which was a hit on my cooking group, which is on Facebook group. If you're on my group, you can get the link down below and join me on my group, which you can get more recipes over there as well. I share a lots of recipes. So I already posted this recipe on my cooking group on my Facebook group, and I figure out not every one of you are in Facebook, so let me make this a video here on YouTube today. And the ingredients are some pitted date, which I have already cut them into small pieces, Maria biscuit. All you're gonna do is just roughly just break them the 1 into 4, butter, unsalted, powdered sugar, sesame seeds, dry coconut powder, and whole almond. To begin, I have a pan that is heating on very low heat, and I'm gonna start dry roast my sesame seeds just until light golden brown. Alright guys, now you can see my sesame seed has a light golden brown in color. I'm going to transfer this to my bowl. And to the same pan, I'm going to dry roast my coconut powder. And again, until light golden brown. And my coconut powder is ready. I'm going to transfer this as well to my bowl. And now I'm going to dry roast my almond. Alright guys, my almond is looking good enough roasted. You can see the almond has been bigger in size a little bit, and you know it's already roasted. I'm going to transfer that as well in my bowl. Now I'm using the same pan. Now add the butter and let that melt. Now butter is melting. Add your powdered sugar and stir it quickly. Now add your dates. Okay, now we're gonna keep stirring this time to time and just make sure they are not burning the butter on a side. Now this date has to cook until softened. And that would take about, I would say, 5-6 minutes. It's been 6 minutes. Now you can see the date is cooking, is softened, is breaking. The almond, I have chopped them into like roughly pieces. Now you're gonna add the almond, the coconut powder. This is looking so delicious right now, and it smells, it's so good. Now the sesame seeds, I'm gonna add half, and I'm gonna save half. Just save this half. Now stir this. Now add your biscuit, your Maria crackers or biscuit. And then give this a mix as well. Alright guys, now you guys can see everything has been mixed properly, combined together. And now I'm gonna turn my stove off and then just leave this on a side and let this cool for 5 minutes. Okay guys, I have a piece of foil paper on my table. All I'm gonna do is just spread some sesame seeds on top of it. And now on the side of the foil paper, now you're gonna put your date mixture, your date biscuit roll. Now we're gonna roll it on this side. Put everything and form this as a long log. Okay guys, now this is still hot and you have to do this as it is like hot. Don't wait for this to be cold. You won't be able to do that. Now slowly we're gonna add sesame seeds. And then just grab the other side as well. And with the help of the other side, now we're gonna push this down together. Squeeze them together. And then press it down as well as you're rolling it. And then you have to open this and then spread some sesame seeds. And then you're gonna roll it again one more time. All the way, and then open it back. And then try to move the log. More sesame seeds. Just like that. And now it's easy. You can roll it just like that, just by your hand. And then I'm gonna add the rest of the sesame seeds. And now we're gonna push this to side with the foil, just like that. And then roll it again one time, and then make sure you have the foil touch to the date roll, and the shape has to be round. And then we're gonna roll this again, and then just keep rolling it a couple of times. Now you're gonna open it and close it back, and also the two sides, you're gonna close that as well tightly. Okay, so now this has to stay just like that on your table. You don't need to put that in the fridge or anything for like 10 minutes before you slice. All right, it's been 15 minutes. Now let's open this, and now we're gonna go cut it. Smell is so good in here. I'm telling you guys have to try this on Eid special. Now you're gonna cut the edges, and this can be your treat. These two sides for you to snack up, and then now you can slice them into roll. All right guys, I'm gonna keep going to slice my date biscuit rolls. Hope this recipe will help you on Eid day. Get the full written recipe down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.